Jail senior BJP leader Yashwant Sinha has got bail. He was in jail for over 2 weeks. This is because of his role in the power protests. Yashwant Sinha was met LK Advani yesterday, and as we said, he was jailed for leading power protests over there.
What are the conditions laid down by the court, and what were your arguments in court today, sir?
My main argument was, first, it was absolutely a political case, and most of the sections are bailable. There was one section 353 that says that interfering in public duty, discharging a public duty, that is non-bailable offence. My whole argument was that even FIR discloses the offence, 353 is not maintainable because the timing is not given. Because the public duty must be in working hour. That is not mentioned what was the time of occurrence. So there was no question of public duty. And secondly, 164 statement subsequently informant has said that yes, occurrence had taken place, but none of the accused was there.
My colleague Alok Pandey now joins us from Hazaribagh in Jharkhand for more on this. Alok, Yashwant Sinha, one of the BJP's senior most leaders. Have you had a chance to speak to him since he's been released?
Well, no, he hasn't been released, Maya. His release has been ordered, but he's still inside this jail over here. This is the Hazaribagh Central Jail. His release order is yet to come here. We are being told that it will take another 2 to 3 hours for all the formalities regarding his release to be completed, and then Mr. Sinha will walk out from here. And then we are hearing, interestingly, that he's going to go to a village, Maya, and inaugurate an electrification project there. So very clearly, he intends to take this entire electricity issue forward. One very interesting thing from that lawyer bite also, Maya, if I can just recap that, he said that the Jharkhand State Electricity Board General Manager, who had filed the case in the first place, said in court that he had not seen Yashwant Sinha at the place of the protest, and he had only mentioned his name in the FIR after some people told him that Mr. Sinha was present. So that clearly is a compromise that seems to have been worked out between the Electricity Board, the Jharkhand government, and Mr. Yashwant Sinha. The political ramifications, of course, are many. We've been speaking about that since yesterday when Mr. Advani came and met him here, along with Mr. Arjun Munda, former Jharkhand Chief Minister and senior BJP Jharkhand leader. We asked him if he thought that after he comes out of jail, is Mr. Yashwant Sinha now fit to lead the BJP in Jharkhand, perhaps? And Mr. Advani said absolutely, he's a senior leader. He should in fact lead the BJP. Assembly elections here are due in the next few months. Will be interesting to see whether Mr. Sinha manages to take command of the BJP and perhaps also becomes a chief ministerial aspirant for the BJP to win those assembly polls here in Jharkhand.
Right, Alok. Thanks very much for joining us with all those details. As Alok points out, Yashwant Sinha going to inaugurate an electrification project as well, and clearly keeping that focus on the power situation, irrespective of the fact that he spent 2 weeks in jail protesting the power situation in Jharkhand as well.